position of the paddles, hold your thumb, the sternum and apex placed correctly, because whenever we begin the shock to the patient, it should be comes on the right position. And make sure whenever keeping or doing the test, the plates are clean. So make sure there is no carbon residues. Change the paddles. Protect and deflect. Protect and deflect. Place it. Place it. Back and press. And now we have to rotate and pull. Place.
This one no need to lock. No need to lock.
It will not only. If you pressing down, we lock it. And for ECG cables, look at the notch. Whenever you are using for tracing options, you should connect ECG. Okay, so it comes to the display and keys. Power.
Power on.
First I will go for AED. So in AED mode, you will have 3 switches: power on, analyze, shock. And this is in button, even marker, home, and the AC mains indicator. Whenever you are power in, you should be green. Any errors during self-test, it will give you a red indicator on service. And speed dial, whenever this electricity is active, this will be green. In AED, you have to place this cable.
Connect electrode.
This is the test plug. Whenever you are connecting patches like disposable, make sure the errors comes across.
Push analyze. Analyzing now. Stand clear. Remove test slide.
So it will analyze the patient and it will select an energy automatically. If the patient requires any shock delivery, then any arrhythmias, whether it is detected, it will show and it will select the energy automatically and it will charge. Then it will ask you to the shock.
Connect electrode.
Okay. So now you can see check printer error. So about the printer, and press lock. Make sure the paper the glove should be faced outside.